the wrong niche can make your YouTube grow slow and frustrating. But if you pick the right one, you can grow faster and monetize sooner. So in this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to pick the best niche for your channel. I know by now you are confused, like what is a niche? So niche is a specific topic or category your channel focuses on. So for example, you can be in the beauty niche and somebody can be in the fashion niche. Even in that beauty niche, there's even sub niche. Sub niche is like you focusing on skincare. It's a sub niche of a beauty content. Or if you're focusing on hair care, that's a sub niche of beauty content. So that is what we mean by a niche. So what niche basically does is it helps you to attract the right audience. This is going to help YouTube to recommend your videos faster when YouTube knows that okay, these are the kind of people that is going to enjoy your content. Say for example, you're a skincare content creator. YouTube is going to promote your videos that to people that enjoy skincare content, people that come on YouTube and what they search is basically skincare tips, skincare tricks. YouTube is going to recommend your videos to those people. Unlike you that are on YouTube and you don't have a category, like YouTube cannot say, oh, this is the kind of audience that's going to enjoy this video. It's going to take YouTube a lot more time to figure out what your audience love. Unlike somebody that YouTube already know, okay, this person only creates skincare content. Okay, so let me just push it to people that enjoy skincare. So now let us talk about the best niches for monetization. Because there are bad niches, like a lot of people do not even know that you need to pick the best niche for monetization. Everybody just come on YouTube and start posting content. I'm wondering why it's taking them forever to get monetized on YouTube. So I wish I knew this sooner. Like the fact that I'm teaching from my own experience, I'm really glad because if I had somebody like me too when I was starting on YouTube, like my journey would have been so much faster. But I have no regrets because now I get to like hold people's and teach them things that I wish I knew sooner and stop them from making the same mistakes that I made. So not all niches grow faster on YouTube. Not all niches make lots of money on YouTube. So if you want to grow faster and make lots of money on YouTube, these are the niches that you should consider. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is finance and investing. So yeah, if you want to grow faster on YouTube or you want to make money faster on YouTube, I'll tell you to like go into finance and investing. And why is that? Because it's a niche on its own. Finance. People who talks about money, they have their own niche. That is, you've already chosen a niche. If what you come on YouTube to talk about is finance and investing. And apart from that, finance and investing niche also have a high CPM. We're still going to get into what CPM is, but just for brief explanation, CPM is cost per minute. So it is how much advertisers are willing to pay to put ads on your video. So niches like finance and investing, they have higher CPM. Advertisers are willing to pay more because advertisers know that people that are going to be consuming such content are people that actually have money or people that have they are willing to buy something. So say for example, you are talking about this investments. People that are watching videos like that are definitely ready to invest. So investment companies would love to put their ads in front of them. So there are also sub niche under finance. There is personal finance, there is crypto, there is investing tips. That's the first niche you should consider for fast monetization on YouTube. The second one is tech reviews and tutorials. Like if you see people that usually review tech, like you see, oh, what is the difference between iPhone 6 and iPhone 7? People like that, they are making money on YouTube because brands want to put their products in front of them. Imagine you talking about Samsung, the latest Samsung. Samsung running ads. It's easier for them because Samsung already know that oh, you have an audience that is interested in the kind of phones that they produce. So they're like, okay, YouTube, just take this amount and put it in this person's video and help show this ad to this person's audience. So they have higher CPM. The third one is making money online and side hustles. So if you are somebody that you know how to make money online, for example, now I'm talking about YouTube, I'm talking about how to make money online. You know, side hustles, you know, things and things that people can do. Those also make money because people that are looking to make money online are willing to like do so many stuff like maybe buy a course, register to be an affiliate, become a copywriter. There are just a lot of opportunities that advertisers want to take advantage of. And the fourth one is education and how to content. So if you are somebody that is quite knowledgeable, you know, like one or two things, you know how to teach people, you love tutorials, or you are probably good at a subject, you can actually educate people on YouTube. They actually grow faster because people are always searching for tutorials, people are always searching for how to do something. So those are the best niches to monetize on YouTube. It's not like the other niches are bad, because I currently have a vlog channel that is also doing well. I'm not saying other niches. I'm just saying if you want to monetize faster, these are the niches that you should consider choosing. So if you want to start a YouTube channel and okay, vlogging is what you want to start, just know that it's going to be hard to get monetized faster. Unlike this first niche that I talked about, unlike the best niches that I talked about, and you're not going to be making lots of money. Obviously, brand deals will come because they actually love your audience. They understand that, oh, people that are watching your vlogs, they might be interested in beauty, they might be interested in so. But it's going to take you a while. So here's exactly how you're going to pick the best niche for your channel. You don't necessarily have to pick the best niche just because I said, oh, those are the niches that is going to help you monetize faster. Of course, you should always follow your passion. Because if you choose any of these niches and you are not passionate about it, you're going to run out of content soon, and people can naturally see through your facade that this person is faking it. This person is not really passionate about what she's talking about. So yes, how to pick the niche that is going to suit you on YouTube. The first one is to ask yourself, what do you enjoy talking about? The second thing is you now need to like consider strategy. You need to put the strategy like, what are people searching for that I love to talk about? The third one is, can it make money? Like when I first started my channel, I started with skincare because I enjoy talking about skincare, and people were also searching for a lot of skincare tips. And also, can it make money? You need to look at YouTubers in those niche and like, are they successful? Now that you have an idea of the best niche for you, the next step is setting up your channel the right way. And that is what we are going to cover in the next lesson.